10 Best Adirondack Chairs for 2021 Adirondack Chair Reviews. Adirondack chairs all generally have a similar silhouette and slatted wood construction, and they are widely available in wood, plastic, and even recycled plastic that mimics the look and feel of wood. If you're looking for an outdoor fixture to provide an attractive front porch perch throughout the seasons, your best bet for charm and comfort is the Adirondack chair. Watch the video to learn more. 1. Adirondack chair with cup holder. This Adirondack chair has a traditional silhouette, 3 color choices, and even a cup holder. One standout feature is its 22-inch wide seat, which provides more comfort and space for sitters between the fixed armrests. It weighs a hefty 49 pounds and doesn't fold up, but the rugged polystyrene build will do just fine in any weather. 2. Modern Adirondack chair. This sleek Adirondack chair offers a modern take on the classic rustic outdoor seat, complete with a square back and 3 angular back slats. It also comes in a rainbow spectrum of 14 different colors. It's made of weather-resistant polywood lumber, which is a wood alternative that'll never splinter, crack, peel, or need to be repainted. 3. All-weather Adirondack chair. This plastic Adirondack chair has a more modern style than the others, with its 8 punchy color options and clean lines. Its curved waterfall seat also makes it feel a little nicer on the backs of the knees. Although it doesn't have the substantial feel of the polywood models, it's an affordable alternative that's still touted for its stylish look and ease of assembly and cleaning. 4. Folding Adirondack chair. A chair built for all seasons, this 50-pound folding Adirondack chair is made of hefty, durable plastic material, with a smooth, faux wood look. It conveniently folds up to store in the off-season and comes in 11 different colors. 5. Wood alternative Adirondack chair. The appeal of synthetic wood in outdoor furnishings can be summed up in 2 words: low maintenance. This user-favorite pick from Amazon is made from UV-protected imitation wood, which allows for easy end-of-season cleaning. 6. White Hartington plastic folding Adirondack chair. This USA-made, 34-pound chair is made from recycled plastic and is an overwhelming crowd favorite for its easy assembly, comfortable feel, and simple folding mechanism. Oh, and white is far from the only color. There are a whopping 52 colorways available. 7. Willia plastic folding Adirondack chair set. Consider this 16-piece Adirondack chair set to be an investment for the safe, socially distanced gatherings that you'll hopefully be able to have this summer. It includes 8 easy-to-assemble chairs, 4 ottomans, and 4 side tables and comes in 15 colors. 8. Solid wood rocking Adirondack chairs. This set of 2 Adirondack rocking chairs is made of solid acacia wood and makes a beautiful addition to any front porch or screened-in sunroom. They're easy assemble, easy to clean, and reviewers say that they're slow to fade after consistent exposure to sunlight. 9. Little Colorado Classic Toddler Adirondack chair. This 2-foot-tall Adirondack chair has the same laid-back look as a traditional model, just in a mini version. It's made of painted pine wood and weighs 10 pounds. This chair is simple to assemble and can even be repainted and varnished to better match existing furniture. 10. Outer Banks oversized folding Adirondack chair. This Adirondack chair is made of 95% recycled plastic poly lumber, and it even folds up for the utmost convenience, although at 58 pounds, it's pretty heavy. Complete with a cup holder and extendable footrest, it's basically everything you'd need in an outdoor seat. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel.